Okay, here are one of my hoppers. So when you're we'll catch a chicken. Oh, you see the chicken get it? Zoom in. Oh, got enough. So let's see if we can catch a rooster. Oh, see the rooster? Oh, look, chickens love it. Yeah, but look, there's a chicken right here by the shed. Let's get this one. There it is. Oh, she got it. You saw that? Man, she loves it. So if my hopper fools a chicken, it will definitely fool a bass. But you can practice fishing that way. If you have chickens, though, if you don't have chickens, just practice your cast. But if you have chickens, practice catching some of them. So let's see if we can get one more. Let's see if we can get one more. You're gonna encounter. Oh, there we go. And she's going for it. Oh, there it is. You can practice catching your chickens in your yard if you have chickens. Look, you saw that? So there you go. Let's go. So that's what you do on the off season. You practice catching chickens in your backyard if you have chickens. If not, it's a good investment because not only can you practice, look, she's still getting it. And I'm just trying to reel it in. Make sure you clip the barb off the hook so you don't hurt your chicken. So these are barbless, look, these are barbless flies. So this is a barbless hopper. It's a barbless hopper. So you practice catching your chickens, but if you don't have chickens, you should get a couple because not only can you practice fly fishing with them, but they also give you eggs in return, and they give you feathers so you can make flies with, hackle, whatever. We have a couple roosters. You can hear one in the background. He's so mad right now because I'm catching all his hens. So, and as always, good vibes, tight lines.